everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. So in this video today, we're going to be decorating this tabletop. So come on with me, guys. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you who've been with me for a while or even from the very beginning, I thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. Now this video is part of a closed collaboration called the Spring Easter Tabletop Decor, and this is being hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. That's myself and Deborah Cabasa Home Living. Now I decided to go ahead and decorate this table here vintage style. I'm absolutely embracing that right now. And so that lace runner that you see there, I believe I got that from Dollar General. And that is absolutely beautiful. Now I'm going to leave you to a little bit of music as I put this table together, and I'll be in and out of the video. Now that beautiful floral centerpiece, I thrifted, and what an amazing buy. It is so gorgeous. Now the two cloches on the end, one of them has a blue bird and some greenery, and then the other one has a little vintage teacup with some roses coming off top of it. It is so beautiful. Remember that these little cloches you can get at the Dollar Tree, and the items inside of this I thrifted. Now that jar that you see there, I also purchased at Dollar Tree. So it's amazing what you can find there. Now the Dollar Tree last year or maybe the year before that were carrying these little chubby little birds, which I absolutely love them. I have them in white and in pink, and I think I also have maybe one blue one. I can't find the blue one right now, but we are decorating with the little pink one, so I take them with me everywhere I go. there's the little macaroon in lavender. I absolutely love that macaroon. It's so cute. And then I have that little votive that I purchased at Dollar Tree also, which has a vintage look. So this kind of completed everything. We're going to go ahead and light the candles. Or I'm going to go ahead and light the candle, and then we're going to head on over to the reveal. I'm so excited. So I hope you enjoyed this inspiration as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and God bless you.